The decision for us to wear red, white, and blue today is because it is Patriot Day. It's a day for our nation to remember the lives lost and the event that happened 19 years ago.
September 11th means to me a day to reflect on those who lost their lives in the Twin Towers and everywhere that they were hijacked planes trying to crash into buildings. I actually learned about it last year, and also this year I actually got to go to New York City and see the 9/11 memorial. I saw where the Twin Towers stood.
The children at the elementary level are very young, and if they can take anything away from just wearing the three colors together, I hope that they know that it signifies unity for all of us in one country and one nation.